Hey, what's going on, traders? How you doing? It's Mike again from Tactical Traders. Just doing a little recap on today. Today is May 20th. It is Friday, and if you've been following the other videos, you know this is the end of week 2 for the small account challenge, and we made two trades, closed two trades today, and took some nice profits on it. So. Just a follow up for the people that are just seeing this video. Small account challenge. We started it 2 weeks ago with $5,000 in the trading account. Basically, we only have a couple rules, and that being it has a $500 max per day drawdown. If I hit that max loss, then I am done for the day. My broker would automatically shut down my account. Mainly, I am focusing on small caps, but we have been trading some mid to large caps as well. But my personal edge is small caps. And yeah, so we're just seeing how long we can keep this growing and how big we can grow this account. We're using Trade Zero and mainly just day trades with a couple swing trades. So going over the trades today, we traded VERU and UPST. Both of those trades were short based and both are pretty profitable. So to go through the chart real quick, um, I think I did a trade on UPST on Wednesday, and that was a short. I actually really messed up with my math. Again, that $500 loss. I was triggered at 7 cents before that high, and then it took my max loss, which was $500, shut me down, and then dropped me. And then the price drop, which would have been a nice, I think it was like $500 or $600 return or something like that. Um, and so shut down, but the price did continue up the next day. So I had another opportunity to take it short. So it did set up nicely. It did pretty much what I was looking for it to do, and it had a nice hard pullback. So right now you can see on the left side of the screen right here, it's currently trading at around 46.90 ish, bouncing around. This is during the trading day, so you can see where the bids are lining up. Um, and then over here we have VERU, and this is where I covered this little green triangle right here. But I left a little more money on the table. It looks like it came down, made a nice little bear flag intraday before breaking the new low and confirming the bear flag with an increased amount of volume on that breakdown. So this actually could head down even lower into the 12s. Keeping an eye on it, waiting for the SSR to kick on. And then that might give a little trouble to the shorts, but we already took our profits. We're good. Same thing with the UPST. Again, that SSR is either going to be kicking on or already kicked on if I haven't really paid too close to it after I already took my profits. Now, actually talking about profits, here we go. So this basically has all the current information. So like we said, we started with 5,000. We're up to 800. We did take that hit the other day. We were over 6,000, but we took that first loss. I believe it was the first loss out of, I want to say six trades, 6 or 7 trades. But again, you can go through the old videos and kind of see that. So the VERU. Again, we're using small size. This is a small account challenge. We're not using a large size with a small account. It makes no sense. So we went with 100 shares of each, and we made a nice little profit. So making about a 70%, 70 cents move here, and then for a total of 54, and then UPST for almost 300. Unfortunately, you can see where I covered these prices, and you can see right now, VERU is right around 13. I took it at 13.61 here, so again, a nice little extra chunk of change. It would have been another $60. Bringing to a little over 100, and then UPST, that one, burn up real quick. That one you can see did the cover right here on the morning flush. That was pretty much just take the money and run kind of thing. This ticker is kind of tough. It can be manipulated with even spreads on the bid and the ask by the same broker, which kind of just has that slow grind up yesterday, and that's what we're looking for. So this is going to be pretty controlled, pretty manipulated. It has a ton of bag holders, especially from the IPO. But yeah, so this is right now 46, and we took this one, the profits at 48. So another 2 point move, could have got out of it. But you can't really obsess with hitting the tops and the bottoms. It's just not how trading works. If you're always trying to hit tops and bottoms and be perfect in and out, it's just unrealistic. If you can do it, great, but very unrealistic. But all right, so that's it for Friday, May 20th. Ending the week, more than likely, I'm watching a couple tickers. Actually, if you want to go over them, this is what I'm looking at right here. IMMX. I did make a earlier post on StockTwits saying that the low 240s, when I did post it, it was in the low 240s. You can see that on the tag. But I said that low risk entry at the 240s. So I think this was a pretty good move. It was a little beer flag that we saw come out, spiked up, broke out, and went up only to 287 and pulled back. We're gonna see how this pullback comes. If bulls are able to hold it, you got to be a little more reactive to these stocks. But I do think that this one could go to mid threes, possibly five. It's a 10 million float, so this thing can move very fast. And we're just gonna see if they're building up a base right here. But yeah, so we're gonna be watching this one over the next couple days. IMMX, but low float, so use caution. But we do think that 350 to 5 is not out of the question here. And then if it does get up to 5, that's where I'll probably be looking to also take it short. So play both sides, long and short. All right, traders, thank you for watching, and yeah, if we do another trade today, we'll do a follow up with another video. Best of luck, traders.